we have there, if you look to your right hand side or your left, you'll see all of the students at Badrinath Ashram standing with all of the puja materials. They will be following us with the puja and performing it at the same time. We will begin with opening sankalp, then we'll have Ganga Jal Snan, then we'll have Panchamrita Snan, then we'll have Pran Pratishtha Puja. Om Sra Shiv Shankar Bhagwan ki Jai. Om Vande Devo Mahatin Surgurum Vande Jagatkaranam Vande Pandaka Bhushanam Mrigalam Vande Pashurapadim Vande Surjam Vahinayanam Vande Mukundam Priyam Vande Bhaktajarashayam Chavaladam Vande Shivam Shankaram Sampasrashmaya Namo Om Kashi Pati Kailashpati Umaapati Mahadeva Ki Jai. Om Haryom Tatsat Haryom Tatsat Haryom Tatsat. Shri Vishnu 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 Shiva Shiva Shivetamam Shri Mahapurusasya Vishnu Agya Pravartamanasya Asya Shri Brahmarokritiye Parade Shri Shvetwara Kalpe Hari Pasmanantare Ashtavimshatikame Kalyuge Kalipadam Charane Sagradipe Bhogatare Uttar Pradeshi Uttastane Dakshina Amerikaya Bangladeshe Nasikabontargate Springagar Nagare Mahapurusasane Badrinath Ashrame Sthite Shri Badrinath Mahadevasya Pradapradishthakam Sthir Pradapradishthakam Evam Karambham Mahasankalpam Karishye